Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Semi-finals update, Akari Chargers versus Creamline. Nakabawi nga ngayon ang Creamline. Natalo nila ang Akari Chargers in 3 sets. Magaling naman ang ipinakitang depensa at opensa ng Akari Chargers, pero nauunahan talaga sila ng Creamline. Player of the game, Kangs Panaga, with 13 points, 10 attacks, 1 block, 2 aces, and 1 excellent dig. Sobrang tuwa nga ngayon ng Creamline dahil nakahabol sila sa semifinals. Kaabang-abang din ang paghaharap ng kanilang sister team na Chocomucho. Siguradong mauubusan ng ticket ang ibang fans at mapupuno na naman ang PhilSports Arena. Dahil para sa kanila, big event ang paghaharap ng Choco at Creamline.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Siyempre, ang galing-galing nila. Nakuha nila. Akala ko papunta yung bola, kasali pa ako sa teammates ko pa si Kyle Negrito at Tots Carlos. At nakita talaga yung effort ni Tots Carlos. Kaya, nung nakuha pa ni Kyle, palakpak na tayo. Tsaka, kahit di ako kasali, I'm proud of them. Oo, na-miss ko na sila. Love you guys. Mwah!